Again, this video we had a big project to complete and we went ahead and did it. So we're just gonna show you some pictures of what it looks like. It's just plainly amazing. It's beautiful, awesome. Look at this, look at this. So I believe I showed you guys this one before, so I'm gonna just rush through this one. We went ahead and cleaned there. Okay, we didn't do this side, the one with the playground mulch. We did not do that one, but here we cleaned there. We might have to come spray it with weed killer. Here, look at this bed, absolutely beautiful. Look at this, look at this, oh my god. Okay, so this little tree, hopefully the mulch is gonna give it some good nutrients and let it grow beautiful. Look at this. Okay, here, this bed was in terrible shape, but we went ahead, we mulched it, at least 4 inches of mulch. We really do put a lot because you know, the people really pay a lot of money and you don't want to cheat anyone, so you do want to give quality work and don't be chintzy with the mulch when you're putting it. They do wonderful jobs, and the immediate neighbors are the one who's gonna come contact you to have their work done. Remember, this one was look at this. This was a hot mess. I went through, trimmed, pulled out what I needed to pull out, and now it's just beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. And now he's just blowing. I'm taking the final pictures. Guys, do your mulching well, because that's where the money is. That's where the money is. Money is in the mulch, and you want to do it. Because remember, this is the time to make money, and the money you make now, you have to save it as well for the future, because the season will slow down. So he's gonna come blow all here and make it beautiful, and then we'll call the person to come see it, and they'll write us a big check. Okay? Yes. No, yes, we do take personal checks. Over. Okay, got it. Here are all the little sticks that we picked and all the weeds that we pulled out. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. How beautiful is this, guys? Beautiful, beautiful. So everyone who passes by says beautiful work, beautiful work. So it's amazing, it's awesome. We also cut this grass. We're trying to get more on this in this neighborhood, but it's not going yet. It's just absolutely beautiful work, outstanding. Okay, thank you, bye. And have fun putting your mulch. It can be fun being outside, sweating, getting your exercise and everything. So